Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself. Put on gloves and keep the ribbon away from food surfaces. Next, choose a dry, shaded location about 6 to 8 feet from food prep and child activity. This reduces contamination risk and keeps flies attracted. Once chosen, inspect the package for the active ingredient and expiry, and confirm the included hanging loop or clip. Now gently open the pack and find the ribbon's end. You will start unrolling from that end to avoid tearing the sticky surface. Once unrolled, hold the nonsticky end and let the ribbon hang vertically. This presents maximum surface area to flying insects. Make sure it can swing freely for 1 to 3 feet of movement. Flies hit moving targets more often. Position the ribbon between doors, windows, or light sources where flies enter and where you've seen activity. That way, you intercept them before they reach food or people. Make sure to avoid wind drafts and direct sunlight, as heat can loosen adhesive and reduce effectiveness. To finish, monitor the ribbon daily and replace it every 2 to 4 weeks, or sooner when it's over half covered in flies. When removing, fold the used ribbon onto itself and seal it in a bag before discarding to prevent contact or escape. If you see poor catches, move the ribbon 2 to 3 feet closer to the suspected entry point or add an additional ribbon to increase coverage. One troubleshooting tip: if adhesive peels, relocate out of direct sun and replace with a fresh strip immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.